Hey designer, welcome to day one of your 14-day challenge. I'm Nayla, the founder of JewelKitPro, and I'll be your guide through this series. Together, we'll explore quick and easy tips to help you design stunning jewelry pieces using JewelKitPro. Mastering JewelKitPro makes designing so easy, fast, and fun. To start, I'll show you how to download your daily worksheets. These are your design files for each day. Each worksheet includes the final design, a few guided steps to help you through the process, and a dedicated space where you can start creating. They're designed to make your daily challenge as smooth and easy as possible.
Find your downloaded sheet in your Downloads section. You have to simply uncompress the zip file and open it directly into Procreate. Just make sure you're using a device that supports Procreate like an iPad or an iPhone. Now, let's organize our Procreate gallery into a neat workspace. Start by selecting all the files that belong to the same category, for example, gemstones, rings, settings. And once you've selected them, tap Stack to group them together. Rename the different stacks to keep your files organized. Now, let's dive into the basics of starting a design with JewelKitPro. The first step is to create a new empty design space using the plus button on the top right side of the screen. The next step is to import the components you want to use in your worksheet. I will show you two different ways of copying components into your design sheet. The first one is to select the component you want from the Layers menu and simply drag it out of the Layers menu. Then go to your design sheet and drop it there. The second way is, instead of dragging your element out of the Layers sheet, just click on it to open the sub-menu, choose Copy, and then in your new design sheet, within the Actions menu, choose Paste.
That's it for day one of the 14-day challenge. You're now ready to bring your first design to life with JewelKitPro. I'll see you tomorrow for day two, where we'll start creating your very first diamond ring on the worksheet we downloaded today.